together. La 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 la. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. La 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 la. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. La 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 la. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for volcano, volcano. W is for whale, whale. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zoo, zoo.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for keyboard. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. bird. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.
A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. C is for cat, who says meow meow. D is for dog, who barks so loud. Let's sing our ABCs. Come along and sing with me. We'll learn the letters one by one. Singing is so much fun. Elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, who swims and crawls. G is for giraffe, with a long, long neck. H is for hat, what's on your head? Let's sing our ABCs. Come along and sing with me. We'll learn the letters one by one. Singing is so much fun. For ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. Let's sing our ABCs. Come along and sing with me. We'll learn the letters one by one. Singing is so much fun. Is for monkey, climb in a tree. N is for nest, where eggs might be. O is for octopus, with 8 long arms. P is for pig, who lives on a farm. Let's sing our ABCs. Come along and sing with me. We'll learn the letters one by one. Singing is so much fun. Is for queen, with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, with colors all around. S is for sun, shining up so high. T is for tiger, who gives a loud cry. Let's sing our ABCs. Come along and sing with me. We'll learn the letters one by one. Singing is so much fun. Is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, play it again. W is for whale, who swims so deep. X is for xylophone with a beat to keep. Y is for yo-yo, spinning so fast. Z is for zebra, stripy and fast. Now we've learned our ABCs. Sing again and clap with me. We've sung our ABCs. We've learned them happily. Next time we'll sing them loud and clear, learning letters throughout the year. A is for ant, marching in a line. B is for butterfly, colors so fine. C is for camel with humps on its back. D is for dinosaur, stomping with a clack. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming in the bay. G is for grasshopper, hopping with glee. H is for hippopotamus, waiting in the sea. From A to Z, the wonders we see. Nature's beauty for you and me. Animals big and small, one and all. The ABCs of nature, let's have a ball. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jellyfish, floating as they run. K is for kangaroo, hopping on its tail. L is for lion, with a mighty roar and flail. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the animal alphabet is all we need. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, from the land to the sea and back again. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal, gliding with ease. O is for octopus, with tentacles so long. P is for pigeon, crowing its song. Q is for queen bee, ruling her hive. R is for rabbit, hopping alive. S is for snake, slithering in the grass. T is for tiger, with stripes and a mask. U for unicorn, magical and rare. V is for vulture, soaring through the air. W is for whale, swimming in the deep. X is for X-ray fish, with a body to peep. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, stripes everywhere. A is for apple, it's awesome to see. B is for butterfly, flying so free. C is for colors, vibrant and bright. D is for dancing under the moonlight. We're learning our ACs, songs
the violin.